Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make mechanical 2D sketch in SolidWorks 2025 on it. Now go to draw the circle from origin to circle draw. Now give the dimension, this circle dimension 50 and this circle dimension 144. Okay, select. Now go to 3-point arc, 3-point arc draw here, select. This point control, this point vertical. Okay. Now go to smart dimension, this arc below 31. Okay, select. Okay. Now go to circular pattern. Now select arc. Now give the value here 3. Now go to trim tools. Now cut here, here and here. Okay. Now go to draw the line. Select and draw the line here. This one and this one select. Now go to trim. Now here cut. Okay. Now go to smart dimension. This point and this point parallelly dimension 113. Okay, select. Now this point control this point vertical. Okay. Now go to again smart dimension. This point and this point distance 196. 196. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to check this line and this line 60 degree. Need 60 degree vertical line. Now this line and this line give the value 60. Okay. Okay. Now select. Okay, now I am going to draw another circle here. Now go to draw the circle. Now give the dimension this circle 100. 100 or 50. Okay. Now draw the another circle here. Give the value 100. Okay. Now go to this point and this point distance 200, 200. Okay. Select. Now just go to move the dimension. This point control this point horizontal. Okay. Now go to draw the again circle here. Select. Now go to trim here, select. Now go to circular pattern. Now select this point. Now give the value. Give the value 8. Okay. Now go to again arc. This point and this point. Select. Now these are control, these are equal. Now these are control, these are tangent. Okay. Now go to circular pattern, select this arc. Now select this point. Now give the value 8. Okay. Okay. Now just move here. This point control this circle. Coincident. Okay, just move here. These are control, these are tangent. Okay. Now go to trim. Now cut here, here, here. Now cut here, 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 and here. Here and here. Okay, select. Now you just draw the center circle. Draw the center circle here. Make construction. Okay. Okay. Now this point control this center circle. Coincident. Okay. Now just give the circle dimension value 100. Okay, select. Now just move here. This point control this circle. Coincident. Okay. This circle control this arc tangent. Okay, you just tangent. Just tangent. Just move here. Now I am going to select here. Okay. Okay. Make our job. Thank you all, everyone. Share and like. If you have any ask, you can write comments box.